Welcome to ShipIT, the company that simplifies your workflow. Our modern software is made in a historic castle with origins dating back to 1331. In this video, we show how to use ShipIT365 with Tasklet Factory Mobile WMS. In this video, you will learn how to set and use ShipIT365 with Tasklet Factory Mobile WMS. First, ShipIT setup. Then some attention points on Tasklet Factory Mobile WMS setup. As last, the complete process flow on a mobile device with pick and pack and ship. First is check or set some settings in ShipIT setup. Base transport orders must be on unposted documents. And always new transport order set to true. Secondly, settings needs to be set in mobile WMS setup regarding pack and ship and the ShipIT connector. Also related settings on pack and ship must be set. Enable pack and ship and tote picking when used. Select the needed transport order booking action. Check and set the pack and ship settings. Package types from the carrier provider needs to be synchronized to mobile package types. On the mobile WMS setup, go via related to pack and ship to mobile package types. When synchronized, all package from the carrier provider will be transferred to a mobile package type. Settings for use of these packages can be set like default package for a carrier service. Next, the mobile package setup. On the mobile WMS setup, go via related to pack and ship to mobile package setup. Package needs to be set per carrier or carrier service. And there are various settings available that determine what a user must do on a mobile device. Last setting is related to packing stations, which need to be synced with carrier provider settings. On the mobile WMS setup, go via related to pack and ship to mobile packing stations, and synchronize the packing stations. Now we will show the complete pick, pack, ship process with ShipIT365 and Tasklet Factory Mobile WMS. From a released sales order, a warehouse shipment is created. And from the warehouse shipment to pick, the pick will be visible on the mobile device. On a mobile device, start with the pick. Select the pick to work on. Select the correct pick line and go to the storage bin. Scan the storage bin. Scan or add a license plate. Enter quantity to pick. Register the pick. Select the packing station. A successful pick. Back to the warehouse shipment in Business Central. The license plate is added via mobile WMS. Open pack and ship. Select the correct order. Open the license plate record. Select the package. Add weight when required. Package record is checkmarked. Click on Post. A label is printed immediately. On the sales order, a transport order is visible. On the transport order, track and trace information is shown and the label is captured. In this video, you learned how to set and use ShipIT365 with Tasklet Factory Mobile WMS, tools that reduce time on the pick, pack, ship process. Scan the QR code to go to our ShipIT manual.
IDEN. Simplify your workflow. Explore the perfect fit for your industry at iden.nl.